So this is a really big wild brook trout.
Slippery one.
So we raise them in the hatchery this size in about a year and a half, but this one here is probably 3 years old, which is old for a brook trout.
What's the oldest one you guys found?
About 4. So this one's at 307. So I'm going to hand it over to Sam. And I basically take it, I make a little hole.
Oh, I don't want to see the pictures.
Okay.
How does it affect them, like when you guys insert a hole into their stomach? Sorry.
He's swimming
How
around.
would you like to be a brook trout and have an osprey talon go into you? I mean, we've seen some fish here that,
Seriously, that survived something like
yeah,
that?
we actually had them with the intestines coming out after a bird strike. And so what I do is I put a little bit of alcohol in between the tags just in case there was a disease in one fish. We don't want to transmit it fish to fish. But that little wound there, that's something the fish's natural antibodies and immune system can take care of. I mean, to be a wild fish, you have to be a survivor. Okay, so we got that new tag number? All right, so here's the new tag. You just record the last 8 digits.
Did you get that first one, Lily?
Yeah. Is this the new one now?
That's
Yep,
the new one.